Vegetables. Leafy green vegetables. Oats are a great source of grain and are rich in vitamins. Greek yogurt. Eggs. Eggs are good at both preventing water, coconut water, and hot teas water. Here are the top 8 cold remedies, i.e. foods, that you should keep your fridge stocked this season. Keep you warm and healthy. Number 1. Vegetables. Leafy green vegetables such as kale and spinach may act as antioxidants, provide lots of vitamins, and can be thrown into a salad or smoothie, making them an easy meal. Root vegetables like carrots and sweet potatoes help keep mucus at a minimum, and who doesn't need more of that in their life? Number 2. Oats are a great source of grain and are rich in vitamins that your body needs to heal. Not to mention, oats are one of the easiest foods to make and have a wide variety of fruits and nuts to sprinkle on top. Number 3. Soup and broth. The classic chicken noodle soup is not just some old wives' tale, but an actual cold remedy that is filled with protein, vegetables, and warmth. Chicken noodle soup will keep you both hydrated and full as well. Number 4. Chickpeas. Chickpeas and other foods like it are filled with protein that will help build your body's strength back from the ground up and have your body use its nutrients more efficiently. Number 5. Greek yogurt. Unsweetened Greek yogurt is one of the only, if not the only, dairy you can have while sick. It is filled with healthy bacteria. Yogurt can improve your digestion and boost up your immune system once more. Number 6. Berries, citrus, avocados, and bananas. Not only can berries, citrus, and bananas be used to spice up your unsweetened Greek yogurt or oats, they are just good food to snack on while you have a cold, as they are filled with vitamins, minerals, and fiber to support your immune system. As for avocados, this unique fruit is filling and helps decrease inflammation. If you like the video, please like it. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and press the icon so that these informational videos. To reach you and a good comment about the video, it is encouraged by you. Number 7. Eggs. Eggs are good at both preventing colds and getting rid of them. Eggs are high in protein, zinc, and vitamin D, which all work together to build your immune system back up. Number 6. Water, coconut water, and hot teas water is the most important treatment for any ailment. To keep your body hydrated, drink water, coconut water, or hot teas low in caffeine. Your body will thank you for keeping it hydrated and healthy.